Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where we break down big tech ideas into simple, smart, and slightly sarcastic conversations. I'm Emily, your guide to data privacy, compliance, and the person constantly asking, did anyone think about the risks here?
And I'm Lucas, your AI enthusiast who believes robots are amazing as long as they don't start judging our life choices.
Today's topic is super interesting. Allen Institute for AI, also known as Ai2, is building physical AI, robots, using completely virtual training data.
Yep, basically they're training robots inside simulations first. Think video game training, but instead of leveling up characters, you're leveling up robots.
Traditionally, robots needed real-world training, which is slow, expensive, and requires humans guiding them step by step. That's not exactly scalable.
Imagine teaching a robot to pick up a cup thousands of times. At some point, even the robot would be like, I get it, please stop.
Ai2's approach flips this. They trained a system using millions of simulated experiences, allowing robots to learn faster without needing constant real-world interaction.
And here's the wild part. These robots can take what they learned in simulation and apply it in the real world. No extra training needed. That's like learning driving in a game and suddenly handling real traffic. Risky, but impressive.
This tackles something called the sim-to-real gap, where AI trained in virtual environments fails in reality. Ai2 reduces this by making simulations highly diverse and realistic.
So basically, they throw so many scenarios at the robot that real life feels easy. That's also how people prepare for exams or job interviews.
From a safety and compliance perspective, this raises important questions. Faster robot deployment means we need stronger governance, better testing, and clear accountability.
And from a business angle, this is huge. It cuts costs, speeds up development, and makes robotics more accessible, not just for big companies, but startups too.
Which means we could soon see robots everywhere. Homes, hospitals, warehouses, all trained before they even enter the real world.
So today's takeaway, AI is learning in virtual worlds to perform in the real one. Smarter training, faster deployment, and hopefully fewer mistakes.
If built responsibly, this could transform industries while keeping people safe and systems trustworthy.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Pente Spotlight.